When it comes to shooting a gun, it turns out there may be no substitution for the real thing. A study first published in 2012 saying that playing violent shooting games may improve real-life firearm skills has been retracted. Boom Headshot Effective Video Gameplay and Controller Type on Firing Aim and Accuracy was pulled from the journal Communication Research due to irregularities in some of its data. The report had found, quote, playing a violent first-person shooting game for only 20 minutes increased accuracy in shooting a realistic gun, especially at the head. It's important to note that the study did not suggest a connection between violence in video games and the real world, but the lead author's Ohio State University faculty page credits him for challenging the, quote, myth that violent media doesn't have a big impact on aggressive behavior. According to a statement from Communication Research, a duplicate version of the study is currently under review. Do you think there's a connection between shooting games and real-world shooting skills? Let us know in the comments, and be sure to check out Rated Red's app for Apple TV and Roku. I'm Paxton Elrod.